Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Safwan. Here I will explain how the two-stroke engine works. A two-stroke engine performs all the same steps but in just two piston strokes. The simple two-stroke engine do this by using the crankcase and the underside of the moving piston as a fresh gas pump. As the two-stroke piston rises on compression, its underside pulls a particle vacuum in the crankcase. An intake port of some kind on cylinder wall port, red valve or rotary disk valve opens, allowing air to rush into the crankcase through a carburetor. As the piston nears top dead center, a spark fires the compressor mixture. As in a four-stroke, the mixture burns and its chemical energy becomes heat energy, raising the pressure of the burnt mixture to hundreds of psi. This pressure drives the piston down the port, rotating the crankshaft. As the piston continues down the port, it begins to expose an exhaust port in the cylinder wall. As a combustion gas rushes out through this port, the descending piston is simultaneously compressing the fuel-air mixture draft beneath in the crankcase. As the piston descends more, it begins to expose two or more fresh charge ports, which are connected to the crankcase by short ducts. As pressure in the cylinder is now low and pressure in the crankcase higher, fresh charge from the crankcase rushes in the cylinder through the fresh charge or transfer port. These ports are shaped and aimed to minimize direct loss of fresh charge to the exhaust port. Even in the best design, there is some loss, but simplicity has its price. This process of filling the cylinder while also pushing leftover exhaust gas out the exhaust port is called scavenging. While the piston is near bottom dead center, mixture continues to move from the crankcase up through the transfer port and into the cylinder. As the piston rises, its freeze covers the transfer port, leaving only the exhaust port still open. If there were no way to stop it, much of the fresh charge will now be pumped out the exhaust. But there is a simple way to stop it using exhaust pressure waves in the exhaust. If we shape and dimension the exhaust paper rack, a reflection of the original pressure pulse generate and the exhaust port open will bounce back to the port just a fresh charge is being pumped out of it. This pressure whips the fresh charge back into the cylinder just as the rising piston cover exhaust port. Because full air mixture is constantly being pumped by the crankcase, is not practical to lubricate piston and crank by pump circulating oil. It will be swept away by the mixture rushing in and out. Therefore, we must either make a little oil with the fuel 2 to 4% or inject in very sparingly in the bearings with a tiny metering pump. The fact that there is so little oil distance that such simple two-stroke engine must employ rolling bearing whose net for oil is very small. So the explanation of how the two-stroke engine works. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.